Okay guys, we got bit last night with the frost and I want to show you the garden. Strawberries was fine. They liked the cold, so it didn't bother them. See, the strawberries look good. And my suckers look good. Some of my suckers look good. See, there's the apple tree. See the apple tree. The plum. See the bottom. They're fine. So they're going to be all right. See there. And there. And there. But look at my tomato plants, guys. Look. This one is dead. We didn't know it was going to get so cold last night. This one, I just tore this limb off, the little side piece, because you don't want your dead pieces from the frost that's dead. You don't want them taking the nutrients from the rest of your tomato plants. Look at these babies right here. They are burnt up. Look. Oh, they're so beautiful. Everyone in here, I have 5 in this little bed, and they're burnt. Let's check this one out over here. Oh, this one's burnt terribly. Look. Oh, look, it's just burnt up. Look. Yeah, I might have to clip that piece off. Clip that piece off. Clip this piece off. I need to get my scissors. Clip this one little piece. Now, maybe we can save that. I'm not for sure. We'll see. So let's go over here and look at our pepper plants. Our pepper plants is burnt a little bit. The leaves. This one's not too bad. Actually, the other one had the little bloom that was going to come out. It doesn't turn brown. Now look at this pepper plant. It got it. Look at there. It got it. Jeez. See? So I'm going to clip these off. Oh, that's still on there. Cool. That little bloom, this one got it over here. This one really got it. Look, guys. Look at this pitiful little thing. Look here. Oh, it got burnt. Now, we don't know if these are going to be okay, but we will watch them. And if not, we will... See, look, it got burnt. We will replant. I think the tops may come out. Look at this lettuce. This lettuce is like heavenly, guys. I'm telling you what, this is like the lettuce bed from heaven. I've never had lettuce this pretty before. Look at this, how gorgeous. Look at this. This is like beautiful, honey, and it tastes delicious. I just got a pack of lettuce from Amazon, and it had all kinds of lettuce in it. Look at my spinach down here. It's fine, but it likes cold. And I mixed all of my lettuce seed together, and I planted it. And I want you to look. It is the most gorgeous bed of lettuce that we have ever had. Look how big. Look how beautiful. I'm going to eat me some salad this evening for supper. My garlic, it done fine. My garlic's fine. It's good. Let's see. Now the radishes look good. Radishes, they are okay in the colder temperatures. Not like freezing or anything. But see, they look good. So it didn't hurt them at all. Look how pretty they are. Now my peas, honey, a blessing from the Lord that my peas did not get burnt up. Because peas are like beans. They are very tender. Gran put this wire up. He found it in the lower part of the yard, or maybe in the field. And he put it up. See, he connected it right here. Like he put a stake in there. And he put this wire through here simply because, see this wire? Simply because I was going to just hang down a bunch of ties and just let the peas grow up. But he said, hey, I got a piece of fence wire. You want it? And I'm like, yeah, I want it. So he put it up. And so we just run it. he stood it up here, and look at these peas. How pretty, honey. Look how gorgeous. They did not get bit with the freeze the frost. Look at there. A lot of them didn't come up though. See the empty space? And I need to replant. But overall, I'm so happy they didn't get burned up, because they could have easily got burned up. And I'm real surprised right here. These are our straggler leftover tomatoes from last year. Look how pretty. Did not get burnt. What do you think about that? They're coming up in my bed of my beets. I planted beets in this whole bed here. And look how cute. Look how good and pretty they are. Look. See how good they look? But there's one. Over there's one. Here's one, of course, we cannot keep, simply because it's too little and we don't need it anyway, so we're going to get rid of that one. But my beets are coming up really good. They did not get hurt last night, look. But some of this stuff is a little bit tougher than other. Some plants are just tougher, more for the cold. Here's another straggler tomato plant. I want you to look at this thing, how pretty this is. Come up from last year's tomatoes. And then there's another little one. Look at that. My flower got bit. Look at this. It got burnt bad. This, its little heart. There's some more coming up under here. I don't know if you can see it or not. See it down there coming up? Here, this one. Here's a new leaf. So hopefully, look down here. See, they're coming up. But they got burnt. My other one got burnt over here. See, it got burnt too. It looks pitiful. Now, my onions, they look pretty good. They're dry. They got to be watered tonight. But they look pretty good. A little bit of my cabbage and my carrots. Look at my carrots. Look at how pretty they are coming up. Look here. I mean, there's not a lot coming up yet, but they're coming up all through here. They're just so little you can't see them. But see there? So I've got several coming up. See? So it didn't hurt them. It just burnt these tomatoes up over here. My cabbage look pretty good. See there? Looks pretty good. Got 3. I had one there and it's gone. So there's Jonah. He's riding the four-wheeler. Let's look at these over here and then we'll see. Oh, look at this pepper plant, Jonah. This one looks really good. See how healthy it is. The leaves has not been burnt. So maybe this kind of protected it, this pot. This one, tomato plant. This one, you can see this side right here got a little burnt. We need to clip that one. You see, I clipped this one a while ago. It kind of still looks pitiful, but we'll just watch it and see. Look at this pepper plant. It looks pretty. Look at that. This one kind of got it a little bit. You can see the leaves a little bit. They got it. I don't know. That may be just a new leaf. That one kind of looks... See, that one looks good. This one, it looks okay. This limb right here might have got it just a little bit. But overall, it looks fine. This tomato got it. You can see this tomato right here. See that leaf? It looks pretty pitiful. Look at these leaves over here. See, it's burnt. Look at that. Poor little thing. That one, it'll be all right. So overall, the one little bed, the tomato plant is gonna, I think all 4 of those, all 5 of them over there is gonna have to be replaced. But overall, I guess I'm content and happy that it wasn't any worse than what it was. But anyway, guys, happy gardening, and we'll see by the next couple of days if we have to replant anything, and then we'll take it from there. But look at this beauty that God has given. Just such...
a piece of lettuce?
Huh, sure. Just such beauty, you know. It's all by God's grace. All of it is what he gives us, what he allows us to have. Jonah, he likes eating stuff out of the garden. I believe he's a...
Tastes like dirt.
You gotta wash it. You probably pulled it up out. You don't pull it, you have to cut it. Because once you pull it, it'll die. Cut it and it'll grow back. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll let you know what happens to the replacement, if any, but I think we will be replacing some. But get out there and grow you a garden. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.